Here we go. A snowball. Official good morning, everyone. To get on our tram this morning. Here we go.
Please fall out. Why do you have to go down?
What's happening, Mookie?
The new cabin. At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. The wildlife will change, and the trees, flowers, and shrubs.
Who is that, you think?
Will travel over 5 towers. Had to be constructed by transporting work.
Official good morning, everyone. We are here at the top of the tram now. It was a pretty spectacular ride up. It's supposed to be 33 degrees, but it does not quite feel that cold. We are just checking out the view from this back porch area. The ride up was very educational, and they were talking about how special this place was because it goes from desert to alpine so quickly. Look at these two checking the snow out in the sun. Sandals and snow. What is that, Lukey? A snowball. Whoa! Some of the wildlife in the area, huh?
Look at this one.
Oh, that's a big one. Wow.
Oh, squirrel.
Look at that. That's the closest you have ever been to one of those. And another one. There's a rattler, buddy. Sleuth, look. You can track the mountain wildlife. And check out the view from this side. There it is, a little closer, down into Palm Springs. Looking down makes you pretty dizzy. Lucas is having quite a bit of fun in the gift shop. There is a penny machine right here, and we are gonna smash one with him. Got an eagle, a hiker, a bear, and the tram. Good job.
That one. There you go.
Nice.
There. Push this in. Crank it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's doing it. Move it, Lukey. Come on.
Help, Dad.
Come on.
Oh, you guys are getting it.
Ah, we did it.
Come. Look,
did it.
Lukey.
It made a coin for us. Get it.
Did it work? Time to catch the tram ride down. There is
That's what smooths out the
counterweight pit. Wow, that's pretty giant. You can't even see it all. There it came a little higher. Lukey, look.
If you didn't have the opportunity, have those big park volunteers and keep guys.
Pretty amazing ride. Good way to spend our morning. We made it back. Lukey just got up from his nap right when the sun is going down as usual, and I was just down here getting some beautiful shots of this view. The reflection on the pond since the wind has finally died down is just absolutely gorgeous, and the mountain that you see in the center of this clip I'm about to show you and the photos we took that is where we rode to the top of the tram today. Right up there, just a gorgeous night here in the park. Micah has a childhood friend that we're going to be visiting with tonight and probably going out to dinner with them, and then we'll see how the rest of our evening goes. Lukey's request in snack.
I've worked with Eli
olives,
since we were out of high school, so.
Teddy Grahams and goldfish. Interesting choice.
So you.
The man that's always working. Good phone call.
Yeah.
Nice job. Did you find a piece? Good job. After conquering last night's puzzle, he thinks he can conquer this 350 tractor and hen one. That looks pretty complicated. That's gonna take you a long time. I like that you like puzzles. Mama? I love you. Ah! Need to smell all the pieces. And I don't really know how much help he is being. I had them all flipped over.
Big
Fishy.
weird thing coming up. Yeah, the little fish. There's a little fish there.
Alright you guys, we're gonna end tonight's video here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye!
It's upside down.